As a new member of the Nissan Navara team, I went on a ride with some of Nissan South Africa's leading women. Hey Shaz.
Hi Moshe.
As someone that has worked on this beautiful, amazing product, how do you feel when you see it on the road?
I think for me it's really a proud moment to see it on the road, being loved by people, being driven by people. You get that sense of satisfaction, you know, that this is proudly South African.
How important was the support structure in making this dream possible?
If I refer to the team again, it's mostly young engineers. It was a learning curve. It was very difficult, but we all held together.
In terms of, having your team, how do you motivate them?
I think for me, it's more of the end goal. I always say to my team that every time we do something, we need to have an objective. And once we reach that objective, then let's create another one, because it's a continuous improvement. If you reach one goal and it's successful, try to better yourself. My key KPI is to make sure that the customer is happy. If Moshe drives the Navara, Moshe feels vavavoomd.
And guess what, girl? Moshe feels vavavoomd. So let's play a little game called Would You Rather. Would you rather be a wheel or a steering wheel?
I would say steering wheel, because the steering wheel steers the car to the direction that it needs to go.
Chantelle, this was just a game. I'm getting a whole talk. It's clear to see that you deserve to be in the position that you're in, because you are a well of wisdom. So what advice would you give other women in the automotive industry?
So I would say to women, be yourself, and we need to work hard.
Chantelle, thank you so much for a beautiful conversation, words of wisdom and leadership. As women at Nissan South Africa, we see you, we salute you, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Moshe. This was very great. I really appreciate it.